Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Sign into the exact Google account where the WhatsApp backup resides and use the same phone number. Once done, make sure your phone has at least 50% battery and is on a reliable Wi-Fi network to avoid data interruption. Open WhatsApp and begin the registration process. When prompted, grant storage and contacts permissions so the app can detect the backup. This immediate action gets you into the restore flow without detours. After permissions are set, WhatsApp searches Google Drive and shows a backup size and timestamp. Tap Restore to start transferring messages and media. While it runs, keep the app open and avoid switching networks because interruptions can corrupt the restore. You may see two stages: message restore first, then media download. Let messages complete before expecting media. If the backup is large, this can take minutes to hours, so be patient and maintain power and connectivity. When the restore ends, finish profile setup and allow WhatsApp to download remaining media in the background. This can continue while you use the app. If no backup appears or the restore fails, reinstall WhatsApp and repeat registration, ensuring the same Google account and phone number are used. One key troubleshooting tip: if backups aren't detected, open Google Drive Backups to confirm a WhatsApp backup exists and grant drive access. Adjusting that permission often resolves missing backup issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.